let me show you what I got for my hand knit and crocheted hats. Aren't they so cute? And all these fun colors, greens and blues, yellow, oh my gosh, the yellow and the teal, they're so cute. Orange, orange and green, oh my gosh, they're absolutely adorable. Purple, and I see here a darker purple that's coming up. Yeah, look at these. How pretty are those? Then I see a different blue, yep, compared to this one. And let's see, I see this blue as well compared to this blue. Oh, you can put them like in a bowl and they'll make such a great decoration. And I'll show you now how I use them with my hats. Look at this. Oh, these are so adorable. There are 26 pieces in this bag. They'll make so many cute hats. Oh, this color, the pinkish, like a flamingo color. Oh, so adorable. Oh, this is so cute. And the last three, I lost one on the floor. Here they look like they have a loop, so you can put a button inside your hat and then you can loop it through that loop. And I'll show you how I did it here. So I got my sewing needle and my hand knit hat. I'll go inside the hat and I will sew my button on the top of the inside of the hat. Here's my needle. But don't close the hole shut. Here, there's a hole, so a little bit to the side of the hole where you gathered your hat. This way you can remove the pom-pom when you want to wash the hat. Or you want the pom-pom for another hat, you can just make them removable. I'll go to the right side of the hat and we'll find the loop of my pom-pom. And with the help of a crochet hook, I'll just pull the loop, which will make it much easier. So I found the middle of my hat, and then I'll get the loop from here, just like this, and I'll pull it inside. There. And now it will go around the bottom. You can even go twice. The loop is quite stretchy. So here, how it looks. I went around the bottom 2 times. And there, it's very sturdy. The elastic is good of the pom-pom. And it looks so cute. Look at my hat. All right. And it's pretty sturdy inside as well. There. And you can change those pom-poms to the colors of your hat you have. And that is so cute. Let me show you the other one. Isn't that cute? Oh, I meant to put an orange one here. Never mind, red looks cute as well. How cute is this one? Oh my gosh. Love them. Definitely those pom-poms give a different feeling and different vibe to those hats. So every handmade hat needs a pom-pom.